Good evening. First of all, I thank the team of Jignasa for giving me this opportunity. They told me that in the north they celebrate Charaka Jayanti. Here we celebrate Dhanvantari Jayanti the day before Deepavali. And they have requested me to talk on this particular topic. So I told I will fulfill their desire. I was studying, also I used to study Ayurveda thoroughly. Then there was an incident which made me to study modern medicine. Very few Ayurvedic doctors study modern pharmacology also. I studied that. Then I started studying Siddha. Since 7 years I am studying Siddha. Not Siddha medicine preparation, therapeutic utility. So I realized there is some connectivity between the three systems. It is only languages are many, but silence is one. There is no Japan silence, Karnataka silence, Darsanangopa silence, Samanya Visesham. So before I enter into the topic, I teach some fundamentals. Few of you would have heard me before. I would have told this. Every time from North India, new students contact me. For them, I will talk about the fundamentals. There are 6 gunas that govern the universe. Saraga took these 6 gunas and made Shadvita Upakarma. Vagbhata took 2 gunas, Langana Brahmaniya. 6 gunas and 6 rudus are related. Simply tell. Shida Snigdam, Agneya, Ushna Snigdam, Ushna Ruksham, Shida Ruksham, Ushna Tikshna, Jara Chikissa, Vadarakta Chikissa. Sukram is Shida, Arthavam is Ushna. That is why in Hindu temples in Tamil Nadu, they paint red and white, denoting Shiva Shakti Samyogam. Ushnam Surya Shakti, Shidam Soma Shakti, Shidam Pitta Samanam, Ushnam Kapavada Samanam. Already I told, I repeat it again. For Vada you have Madaram Lalavana, Pitta Tikta Kashaya Madura, Kapha Kadadikta Kashaya, Vada Pitta Madura, Pitta Kapha Dikta Kashaya. But for Vada Kapha, there is no rasa, there is only virya, Side, Sida Pradigaraga, Ushne, so Ushna Nivaranam. Ushnam is Svedana Grahi. Before we enter into invite Charagam and Davidson, you should know whether you study Charagam Davidson, this is fundamental. Ushnam is Svedana. Sida Gaurava Stambhakanam Svedanam Svedakaragam. Grahi. Ashtachurnam is Grahi. Pushyanagam is Stambanam. Raktam Stambanam. Malavagasrodas Grahi. Ushnam is Langanam. Sidam Brahmanam. Ushna Brahmanam is also there. Mahamashadayalam. Ushna Brahmanam. Sida Brahmanam Kshirabala. Amla Lavana Kadurasam. Ushnam. Madhura Dikta Kashayarasam Sidam. Kevala Vittam. Diktam. Puduchiyadi. Jwaram. Vadanubandha Vittam. Parinama Shulam. Drakshadi. Kafanubandha Vittam. Vicharchiga. Aragvadam. Kashayarasam. That is how it goes. Now, Guru and Lagu, obesity, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes mellitus, myxedema, hypothyroid crisis, Lagu hyperthyroidism, hyperhidrosis, weight loss, insulin dependent mellitus, hyperparathyroidism. Guru and Lagu. Sidam and Ushnam, Sidam, angina pectoris, Sida Dvesho, Anuvasayo, Raynaud's phenomenon. Influenza, Bell's palsy comes during cold weather, acute coronary syndrome, chills and rigor. Ushnam, hyperpyrexia, erythema nodosum, hyperuricemia, conjunctivitis, aphthous ulcer, duodenal ulcer, ulcerative colitis, ulcer in Amasayam, Indugandham, ulcer in Paschimanasayam, duodenal ulcer, Mahadiktagam, ulcerative colitis, Dadimadi, Snigdam and Ruksham, Snekasaroyam Burushaga, Pranasa, Snegabhuishta, Snekasadhyasa Bhavandi, Pittami Snegam, Kafami Snegam, Rasarakta Mamsameda, Majjasukram Snegam, Asti Snast Snegam, Malasar Snegam, Ubadadu, many Ubadadu Sar Snegam, Kledam has Snegam, Abhishandi has Snegam. Snigdam is needed. Snigdam is the inherent part of our life. Sneak alingane idi. You write a love letter, Snehamulla Kavidavukku, you write. You will not write Rukshamulla Kavidavukku. It will be a love failure. Because there is no Snigdada, Snegada. Hypercholesterolemia, atherosclerosis, fatty liver. Fatty liver is a self-created Sneha Vyavat. Whatever is told in Sneha Vyavat can be given to fatty liver. Steatoria, Kafagrahani, Musta Karanjadi Kashayam, Padupanjagadi Guliga, Vilvadi Guliga, Madhugasavam. Chronic pancreatitis. Here Ruksham, Jogram syndrome, Vadadiga Vadaraktam. Vidari Adi Kshirabala, Shamanaprasam, Kshiravasti, Pindadelam, Madhishti Delam. Dry eye, correcto conjunctivitis, Sikka. Correcto means cornea. Memory loss. Recording is Kapha, retaining is Pitta, recalling is Vayu. For Kapha memory, Panjagavyam, Pitta memory, Kushmandam, Vada memory, Kalyanagradam. Constipation, osteoarthritis and osteoporosis. Ruksham is the Pratyatmani, the Gunam of Vayu. That is why we do Shalam and Ruksham. That is why we do Snehana and rest of the mind. Now they say more activity in the mind and less activity in the body. Now they say more activity for body and less activity for mind. Yoga, meditation. Mandam and Tishnam. Delayed milestone, mental retardation, cognition deficit disorder, AV block. AV block is Chala, Manda Avrata Chala. LV dysfunction, Mandam, unable to pump, gastroparesis, Mudavadam, diabetic gastroparesis, fullness of abdomen, Mudavada Anulomanam, Tali Sabatradi, Mudavada Anulomanam, Dadimadi, Mudavada Anulomanam, Tali Sabatradi Churnam, mixed with the Dadamadi, Prak Bhakti Abano, Mudavada Anulomanam, Inchiravalvadi Kashayam, hypothyroidism, autoimmune disorders, Dadu Bhagam, Dadu Vriddhi, Dadu Kshayam, Dadu Bhagam, Dadu Dushti, Dadu Shaidilyam, Dadu Asamagatvam, Dadu Prakriti Stiratvam, demyelination, Vada Pitta Vriddhi in Majjaladu with Dadu Kshaya, Vidakta Avastha, burns, ulcers, they are Tikshna Guna. Shidam, Vadamam Shidam, Kavamam Shidam, Vadam Ruksha Shidam, Kavam Snigdha Shidam, Vadam Avadarpana Shidam, Kavam Sandarpana Shidam, Vadam Kshayajanya Shidam, Pittam Avarana Shidam, Vadam Varsha Shidam, Kavam Hemanta Shidam, Vidaryadi Kritam is Shidam, in Krishadegi we give Vidaryadi. Vidaryadi gives Pushti, Nimbadi is Tikta Shidam, it will produce Karsha in Kapha. So these things. Bala is Vadagaram, Rasna, Prasarani is Vadagaram. Bala is Madhura Rasam, Madhura Vibhagam, Siddhaviriam, Snigdagunam, Vadavitta Samanam, Tadukshayagaram, Brahmanam. Rasna is Chittagadasam, Gadu Vibhagam, Bushnaviriam, Kapavadagaram, Asugari Avastha, Bala Kshaya Avastha. Rasna Avaranagna, Bala Dadukshayagna. UMN Rasna, LMN Bala. When I say UMN Rasna, you need a lot of Ayurvedic understanding and modern understanding to tell UMN Rasna. How is UMN? Avaranam UMN, Dadukshayam LMN. When I say like this, you should not criticize me. You should try to understand what I am telling. You need a lot of hard work for that. Chalam and Saram. Vadam Kara Chalam. Pittam Snigdha Saram. Adisaranam, Adyantara Saranam, Buddhamarka, Bagudrava Saranam, Adisaraga, Idyartaga. Chale Vade, Chale Jitte, Nishale, Nishalam Bave. Asam Sayamiki Mahabaho, Mano, Durnikraham Chalam. The respiratory rate of monkey is 32, respiratory rate of elephant is 8, respiratory rate of human being is 16 per minute, respiratory rate of tortoise is 3 per minute, tortoise lives for 300 years. So energy, from here I go to America, from America I come to Darsanando. Pitham cannot go, Pitham has to walk. You have to walk and get out of the room and then come back. So psychoneuroendocrinal pathways, motility issues, intestinal motility. Very important. Anulomanam. Trivrit. This already I told, but I would like to tell again. Dadi is the yoni. From the Dadi you get Grida, Snigdha. From Dadi you get Takra, Ruksha. Takram is the antidote for Dadi. Thilam you get Taila. Opposite is Pindaka, one is Snigdha, one is Ruksha. Pindaka is the antidote for Taila. This is okay. One day I met a Natu Vaidya, village Vaidya. He was making a ghee with Ashtachurnam Kalkam, Charangeriadi Swarasam, Takram Anubanam, Gridam. I asked him, what do you do? He told, I am making a ghee. What for you give? I give for Krani. He couldn't tell the word Grahani. Krani, Tamil people tell Krani also. There is nothing wrong in that. Then I touched his feet. Not a jnanam, great jnanam. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitrameha vidyade. Ashtachurnam Kalkam, Charangeri, Swarasam, Takram, Dravadrivyam, or Gridam na. Evlo periya jnana irukkanum. School la padichu varuma andha jnanam. Snigdham, Ushna Snigdham, Shida Snigdham. Ushna Snigdham is sufficiently. Tiladelam Ushna Snigdham, Takdosha Vardhanam, Pitta Vardhanam. Alpa Mutra Kriti. That is why we don't select Tiladelam for Avabhidaka Snegapanam. Avabhidaka Snegapanam is done always with Grida. But Tiladelam will not become solid in room temperature. Ushnam. Gridam becomes solid in room temperature. That is saturated, unsaturated. Deepana, Pachana. Wait, I will take you to Charaka Davidson. These I talk everywhere because this is the base. This is the secret and base of my success clinically and theoretically. Deepanam can be Adravya, Pachanam, Dravya. Deepanam can be snigdha, ruksha, padanam is ruksha. Deepanam, agni deepanam, padanam, ama padanam, malapadanam. Malam is kavam pittam. Kava pittam, malam keshu, prasvedo, nagaram. Netravid, tochu snego, dadunam, kramasomala. Gridam, agni deepanam, snegameva, varam vidya, durubala, anala deepanam, vyadimiktasya, mandaganav, sarpireva deepanam. Ushna padanam, sida padanam, ushna padanam, chitragam. Sida padanam, musta. Adamalla. Grahi and Stampanam, Ashtachurnam Grahi. Grahi is Ushnam, irritable bowel syndrome, Sidam Stampanam, dysfunctional uterine bleeding. Sophaganam and Mutralam are different. Suppose you get a renal failure case, urea is 80, creatinine is 4, potassium is high, hemoglobin is low, uric acid high, calcium is low. Parathyroid hormones are high, it is a malasanchayam, sopham, udaram, Pandu, Malasanjay Avastha, Kafapitta Malavriddhi, renal failure. Urine output is 400 per ml polyuria. If you give Mother Sapradhanya, Gochura, Sadavari, coconut water, Bala, Darba, etc., more mutra will be produced. Already the body is unable to send the mutra out from the body. So one markam is affected, you have to go to the another markam. That is why Nityameva Virejayet. Punarnavadi Kashayatale Narayana Churnam Membudi Dugdha Vadi Bunimba Mahaushada Panam. Sophaganam is different. But if it is the same case, the same picture, polyuria is there, you can go for Gokshura. Madhara Rasam, Kapha Vriddhi, Mutra Vriddhi, Kreta Vriddhi, Anulomanam. Sophaganam is Tiktarasam. The indication is different. Right ventricular hypertrophy, you give Sophagana, Dashamula, Punarnamadi, Arjuna. That's Sophagana. That application is different. Sophagana and Mutrala are different. Trinapanjamolam is told in Madhuraskanda in Ashtanga Sangraha. Suppose I take some diseases, various diseases we take. How the Charaka and Harrison means starts from this. You take Gulma Chikitsa, Acharyas have told every medicine in a particular order. Ashtachuranam, Ingojadi, Vaishwanaram, Chardulam, Narajam, Habushadikradam, Tadidekradam, Lasunakradam, Lasuna Kshiravagam, Nilinigradam, Dandigaredegi, Balladakradam, Agadaksharam. My dear students, understand this very carefully, very clearly, very focused mind. Because this is a new concept not told by anybody. It's very, very, very. Keep your concentration in the Ajna and here. Ashtachurnam, gas abdomen, appetite stimulant, Inguvajadi, pain relieving, Srodha Shodhana, non-ulcer dyspepsia, Kadarasam, so non-ulcer dyspepsia, Vaishwanaram, Haridagi, laxative, Chardulam, Trurd, Nagadandi, Virejanam in gastric ulcer, Narajam, Kapavada Samanam, benign duodenal mass, Abushadi, duodenal ulcer, Dadidekradam, chronic duodenal ulcer, Lasunakradam, duodenal ulcer with pain syndrome, Lasuna Kshirabhagam, Gulmam with spastic colon and pain, Nilinigradam, duodenal ulcer syndrome as a purgative, Dandigaridegi, small bowel CA, Balladagradam, mass in abdomen, CA abdomen, CA abdomen, CA abdomen, Agadaksharam, mass in abdomen with metastasis. Why this order? When Gulmam is a Vada Kafaroga, Kafa Balladagam is Kafajona Rogastina Vibandasi Gachana, they should have told Balladagam and few Rogas and finished the chapter. They didn't do that. The reason is simple gas, non-ulcer dyspepsia, esophagitis, gastric ulcer, small bowel benign mass, small bowel cancer, large bowel CA with metastasis. This is what Harrison and Davidson says, my dear students. This is the same order in which the Aushadas are unfolded in Ayurveda. This is not a simple thing. Every chapter I can tell like this. Every chapter. Simple gas, Ashtachurnam, non-ulcer dyspepsia, Inguvajadi, ulcer dyspepsia, esophagitis, gastric ulcer, small bowel benign mass, small bowel cancerous mass, large bowel benign mass, large bowel CA, large bowel metastasis. That is why Balladagam, Agadaksharam comes in the end. So Vada from a modern perspective, when they are positive and negative, I call it. Vada is active, negative, they are anxious. Vada is creative, negative, they are depressed, Vishadam. Positive, they are friendly, negative, they are insecure. One day I was teaching a person how to find Prakriti. After telling everything, he told I couldn't find Prakriti. I told again, I explained, Susruda, Vagbada. He told I cannot find my Prakriti. Then I told you are Vada Prakriti. He asked me how. Because inability to take a decision after this much explanation is Vada. So you are Vada Prakriti. Inspired and restless. Many people think Vada Prakritis are bad. Not like that. When a Vada Prakriti marries a Kava Prakriti lady, then there will be a little problem. So you have to consult an Ayurvedic astrologer so that there is no Prakriti incompatibility in the marriage. This fellow will get up by, will not sleep. She will get up by 8 o'clock. There is a problem. Pitta, knowledgeable, negative, critical, decisive, angry, ambitious, envious, discriminating and jealous, logical and irritable, because they are angry. They are very angry. That's why in every Prakriti at the end they talk about some animal trait. Animal trait. Pitta Pirai Sudit Pemmane, Pulitolai Arakasait. Puli, tiger is Pitta. That is why Shiva is having. Annaparave, Hamsam, Saraswati. So you cannot separate culture and these things. Kafam is peaceful but possessive, loving, greedy, compassionate, acquisitive, moderate, overly, caring, exclusive. Now actual Charagami Davidson starts. Understand it very carefully. Vada is affecting the Saptadhadus. When Vada affects Rasadhadu, angina. Vada affects Rakta, hypertension. Vada affects Mamsa, fibromyalgia. Vada affects Medas, weight loss. Vada affects Asti, osteoporosis. Vada affects Majja, grey matter, white matter, myelin sheath or Majja according to me. Some people differ, let them differ. And C shades and CVA. Vada in Shukra, premature ejaculation. My dear students, Charagami Davidson needs 7 to 8 classes. Every sentence is a meditative word. I will talk and go, but you have to hear it again and again and again and again. Then you will understand that Tridosham is mathematics. 2 plus 2 is 4. Rasa, Vada in Rasa. Vadam is Shidam, Kapam is Shidam, Ushna Prakriya. So you have to give here some Ushna medicines. Rasamularashtam with Kasturi Gudiga. Siddhamagaratvatam. We will see how we will tackle those things. Pitta in Rasa, SLE. Pitta in Rakta, Pittam Vidaktam Sogunai, Vidagatyas Sonidam, ITP. Pittam Raktam, Tiktarasam, Vasa Guduchadi, Mahatikta Kırdam, Drakshadi, Madurarasam, Trivritlayam, Virejanam. Or diagnosis 1 minute, treatment 1 minute, 2 minutes total, 1 minute telepathy, 3 minutes maximum. Pitta Mamsa. When I started my career, I used to take history, his previous birth and all. Now you get a comprehensive knowledge. Now it is easy. You find your guru, sit with your guru will teach you. I was with my guru, I asked him one day in Purnami day, he was making Pravala Pishti. He was quoting and telling so many things. I asked him, sir, which book I should study? I want to become like you. You tell so many things. He told me, you don't have to study anything. You don't have to study anything. I have already studied. You just follow me. Who will tell? V. Vaidyanathan sir told me. You don't have to study anything. I have already studied. You just follow me. I followed him. Many people went for prescription. Many people went for so many other things to him. They are nowhere now. I went for wisdom, knowledge. Pitta in Mamsa, fibromyositis. Pitta in Medas, thyroiditis. Why? You have to take another class. Pitta in Asti, osteomyelitis. Pitta in Majja, autoimmune disorders like multiple sclerosis. Pitta in Shukra, anti-sperm antibody. Kapha in Rasa, metabolic syndrome. Central adiposity. Triglycerides, fatty liver. Kapha in Rakta, nutritional anemia. You are Rasa Pandu, Rakta Pandu. Kapha in Mamsa, fibroids. Anything which is anti-estrogenic is anti-fibroids. Estrogen is a Pitta Kapha hormone present in the Artavagni. Progesterone is a Kapha Pitta hormone present in the Artavagni. Otherwise, I will talk about how will you talk about these hormones. Hormones are expressions of Dadvagnis. Kapham in Medas, obesity. Kapham in Asti, osteosarcoma. Kapham in Majja, myeloid leukemia. Kapham in Shukra, high viscous semen. Now, we are taking the gunas of Vayu. Tatara ruksho laguchida kara sulshma salanila. Understand it very carefully, otherwise you will be lost. I know that I am talking in speed, but it is not inevitable. Otherwise, I have to take a slow classes. It cannot be presentation. It should be classes. Tata ruksha laguchida kara sulshma salanilaga. Ruksha means rasa. Lichen planus, ichthyosis. Lagu in rasa, labyrintha in vertigo, agasa bhuyam, bhuishtam. Shidam in rasa, shida dvesho anubasayo, Raynaud's phenomenon. Karam in rasa, interstitial lung disease. You keep this test and you will know. Many Ayurvedic doctors do not use this test. They use it for taking BP. Other than that, they don't use it. How to maintain this stethoscope is 1 hour class. Sukshmam in rasa. Pervasive developmental anomalies. Girdam is sukshmam, that is why it goes to the mind. Chalam, bipolar, anavastita chittatvam, cyclothymic personality disorder. Mood swings, it's a very bad disease. It is due to serotonin issue. Dopamine is vata, serotonin is pitta. GABA, histamine are manifestations of kapha. It's a serotonin. Serotonin is joy. Serotonin and dopamine decides neurotransmitters. Pittam sneham in rasa, fever of infective origin. Pittam tikshnam in rasa, duodenal erosion. Pittam ushnam in rasa, gastritis. Pittam lagu in rasa, hyperthyroidism. Pittam visram in rasa, pyoderma gangrionosum. Pittam saram, movement, increased gastrocolic reflex. One fellow asked me, sodium issue, potassium issue, chloride issue, bicarbonate issue, how will you interpret it in Ayurveda? Pittam dravam in rasa, ushnam tikshnam in rasa, sodium, potassium, Trishna chapter. Read the Trishna chapter, read the Adhisara chapter, know about dehydration, go to the concept of Pittam dravam rasam. You will be able to interpret sodium and potassium very easily. Otherwise, you hear my CDs. Kapham, Guru Gunam of Kapha, obesity. Manda Gunam, dyspepsia, Mandagni. Shida Gunam, hypothyroidism, cold intolerance. Snigdha Gunam, hypertriglyceridemia. Triglycerides will not produce a coronary artery disease, but I have seen triglycerides, elevated triglycerides producing pancreatitis. Kaidaryadi Kashayam, Vilvadi Gudiga, Brigadi Palachurnam, Madhugasavam. Very effective. Sthira Gunam of Kapha in Rasadadu, neurofibroma, no treatment available. Some people do Udvartanam, Lekaniya Kashayam, Shilajati, Sivaguliga, Gomutravasti, and charge some 40,000 rupees. Patient say after 6 months, no improvement, sir. Day one beater, there is no cure. Don't waste your time. Don't go here from here to there to here. But neurofibroma, if it comes inside the cord, that fellow is going to be under trouble. Now Vada Suruksha we have studied in Rasa. Now Vada Ruksha in Rakta, coagulation. Vadas Lagu in Rakta, hemoglobinopathies. Vadas Sidas in Rakta, Raynaud's. Karam of Vada in Rakta, molar pregnancy, Raktagulmam. Vada Sukshma in Rakta, lymphocytic leukemia. I go to Pandu chapter for treatment of leukemia, Raktapitta chapter, Jora chapter. Chala, Rakta, Vada hypertension, systolic. Diastolic is Vada Kafaja. Pittam in Snegam in Rakta, allergic vasculitis. Pittam Tikshnam in Rakta, autoimmune disorders. Pittam Ushnam in Rakta, gout. Pittam Lagu in Rakta, syncope. Don't panic about what I am saying. Very small book is available, 50 rupees, 60 rupees. Whatever I am telling, what I have talked, what I will be talking is available in that book. You read the book. Then ask if you have doubt, call me. I am receiving so many calls and answering everybody. What we are going to take? Throughout my life, I have never charged any money for teaching. Anybody who is calling, whatever I know, I will teach. Whatever I do not know, I will study and teach. Otherwise, I will tell I do not know. If you ask me about Shalaikyam, I totally have forgotten. I think I studied Shalaikyam Shalyam in my last birth. Completely gone. Completely washed away. Pittam Saram, dysfunctional uterine bleeding. Pittam Dravam Raktam, epistaxis, Urdu Rakta Pittam. Kafam Snigdam in Rakta, atherosclerosis. Kafam Shidam in Rakta, peripheral vascular occlusive disorder, which is called vascular claudication. Guru Sthira in Rakta, filariasis, Chiratvam, Chirakarida. Mandam in Rakta, Mandam, unable to pump, Mandam, congestive cardiac failure, ejection fraction less than 50. My dear students, I am going to take you to a very next level, very complicated level. Ruksham in Rasam. In Ruksham in Rasam, we have Adipravarti, Apravarti, Sangam, Vimarga Gamanam. Understand it? Vada in Rasadadu, Gunam of Vada in Rasadadu. Each Guna, Adipravarti, Apravarti, Sangam, Vimarga Gamanam. Ruksham, lichen planus, Adipravarti. Apravarti, LV dysfunction. Sangam, AV block. Vimarka Gamanam, mitral regurgitation. All my students, if you come to the OPD, within 1 minute they will put it. This guna, vriddhi, this guna, chaya, this guna, sankam, this rasa, this medicine. 1 minute, 2 minutes, they finish it off. Lagu gunam, tinnitus, sensory neural deafness, vertebrobasilar insufficiency, syncope, vasovagal attack, vimarka gamanam, atrial flutter, sawtooth appearance in ECG. Even in ECG, you see Vada Pitta Kapha. In EEG has got 3 waves: excitatory waves, inhibitory waves, modulatory waves. Excitatory waves, Pitta, temporal lobe epilepsy. Modulatory wave, Vada, tonic-clonic epilepsy. Inhibitory waves, Kapha, absence seizures, akinetic seizures, partial seizures. Kapha Basmara Panjagavyam, Pitta Basmara Ashtadasha Kushmanda Gradam, Vata Smara Mahagalyana Gradam, Vata Samanam Medium Gradam, Pitta Samanam Medium Eshtimadu, Kapha Samanam Medium Lasunam Rudracham Vacha Tippali Gomutram, etc. Sidam, Raynaud's phenomenon, Vadam, Sidam. Okay, this is very tough. I am quitting it. I'm quitting it. It's very difficult for you to come with me. Now, we go to 2. Vadapittam in Rasam. My dear friends, I have told this many times. I am going to tell it again. Vadapittam and Pittavadam are different. Pitta Kavam and Kavapittam are different. Vada Kavam and Kavavadam are different. That is why Prakriti, I tell Vada Pitta Prakriti and Pitta Vada Prakriti, Dvandva Prakriti, our number is more. Vada Pittam Vadapittam, vertigo, Pittavadam, gastric ulcer. Pitta Kapham, erythema nodosum, emphysema, COPD, Kapha Pittam, weeping eczema. Vata Kapham, TIA, stroke, cerebellar ataxia, Kaphavadam, bronchial asthma. Vata Pittam, Vidaryadi. Pittavadam, Drakshadi. Pitta Kapham, Guduchyadi. Kapha Pittam, Aragodadi. Vada Kapham, Ashtavarkam, Kalyanagam, Rasonadi, Bhadradarvadi, Gandharvastadi, Chiruvalvadi, Rasana Saptakam. Kaphavadam, Dasamulagadtriyam. Vada Pittam, Draksha. Pitta Vadam, Eshtimadu. Pitta Kapham, Guduchi. Kapha Pittam, Aragodam. Vada Kapham, Lashunam. Kaphavadam, Tippili. You see, I am enjoying a clinical ecstasy. I don't know how to give it to you. But you should realize that these are all the varieties that exist. These are all the varieties. The Tritosham takes you to a higher consciousness. You will be able to see a big picture show. A guru, what is the role of the guru? The guru should be able to give you a clarity to see the whole thing as the projection picture show of Vadapitta Kapha. You can spend time in Shastra, you can spend time in commentaries, but you can spend time in studying Mutra Gada, you can spend time in studying the 13 types of various Sannibhada Jara told by Bhava Prakasha, you can do research. But treatment, study, treat. My guru told me, don't teach anybody until you have treated 5,000 cases independently. I completed in 1997, November 24th. I didn't teach. Then I started proclaiming myself as a teacher at 2001. One girl from Coimbatore Ayurveda College came to me. I started teaching her. I was not busy, I and she only. So we started teaching. That was not methodological. Now I improved a lot. Every day I am studying. Hard work cannot be substituted by any other thing. Now Raktam, hypertension, Pittavadam in Raktam, ITP, Pitta Kapham in Raktam, Fimbicus vulgaris, Kaphapittam in Raktam, carotid atherosclerosis, Vada Kapham in Raktam, CVA, Kapha Vadam in Raktam, aneurysms, Mamsam, infective bursitis, mind dairy. Likewise, we have lot of things. Now you come to the treatment part. Vadam in Rasam, we studied. So in Vadam in Rasam, I divided into all the systems. Vadam in Rasam in neurology, wasting disorders, benign essential tremor, nervous tremor, anxiety tremor, cognitive problem, benign fasciculation. In respiratory, Vada Pragopam in Rasam, in respiratory, hyperventilation. Cardiology, palpitation, exertional dyspnea, mitral valve prolapse, premature atrial contraction. If you do not treat, you may get atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter. Mostly it is harmless. Premature ventricular contraction, cardiomyopathy, you may get. Rhythm abnormalities, coronary artery spasm. Chintyanam cha adichintanad rasaka sampradushiri. Anxiety. I have written anxiety here. So you come back. So all these things you treat with Madhura Rasa, Guruguna, Mandaguna, Samasidoshna, Snigdha, Rukshahara. All the 90 diseases, one Chikisa Sutra. Madhura Rasa, Guruguna, Mandaguna, Samasidoshna, Snigdha. Vidaryadi Kashayam, Drakshadi Kashayam, Gradavanam, Abhyangam, Yabanavasti, Kushmandam, Shamana Prastam, Sarpir Gudayo. All Madhura Rasam. Vada Vritti, Kafakshaya, Madhura Rasam, Vada Shamanam, Kapha Vritti. That's what it is. Now, Pittam in Rasam, rheumatology, vasculitis, discoid lupus erythematosus, SLE, temporal arteritis, PNK, CNK, anti-neutrophilic cytoplasmic antibody, mixed connective tissue disorders, reflux esophagitis, psychiatric hypermania, cardiology, myocarditis, dermatology, folliculitis. The coding by that. Vesiculobullous disorders, Chikisa Sutram, Diktaras, all these Pitta Pragopam in Rakta, you have all these diseases, reflux esophagitis, Kuduchyadi, Drakshadi Kashayam, Tribrutu Churnam, Kalyana Gugulam at bedtime, treatment over. Mania, Drakshadi Kashayam, Ksheerabalatalam, Yashtimadu Nasyam, Ksheeravasti. Treatment over. Myocarditis recovery, Madhyashtiyadi Kashayam, Kushmanda Rasayanam, Pravala Pishti, treatment over. SLE, Guduchiyadi Kashayam, Kaisora Gugulu, Ksheeravasti, Shavanaprasa Rasayanam, Madhyashtiyadi Delam, treatment over. Tiktarasam Sitaviriam Ruksham. That's all. Guduchiyadi Manjishtadi, Sonidamradam, Kaisora Gugulu, Pravala Pishti, Sadhyovamanam, Trivrit Virejanam, Ruksha Virejanam, because Pittam is Sneham, Ksheeravasti, Guduchi Rasayanam. Kapha Prakopam in Rasam. Kapham, you have nutritional anemia, metabolic syndrome, obesity, hypothyroidism, depression, hypersomnia, psychosis, non-alcoholic state of hypothesis. That is, Kaphajaya Ekrutroga is fatty liver, Pittajaya Ekrutroga is hepatitis, Vadajaya Ekrutroga is fibrosis. Kapham treatment is simple. Kadarasam, Ushnaviryam, Pramadi, opposite Abhishandi. Dr. Gopakumar used to say this frequently. Ushnaviryam. So Kadarasam, Kapham in Rasam, they are related. Indugandam, Trigadu, Panchagolam, Navayasam, Gomutram, Tikshanasam, Vamanam, Dhumapanam, Lasunam, Vardhamana Vipali. Kapham in Rasam. Vadam in Raktam. Likewise, you should be with me for a week. Then I will change you from by-hearting consciousness to logical consciousness. You should be using gunas like playing chess. It is like playing chess. Vada Prakopa in Rakta Dhatu, hypertension, coagulation problems. Vadanubandha Vittam, bleeding. Kaphanubandha Vittam, clotting. Hemoglobinopathies, thalassemias, gout. Vayur Vibhajati. Prasaram, Vayu. Tikta Maduram, Guru Gunam, Samasridoshnam, Anulomanam, Vadarakta Chikitsa. What is Vadarakta Chikitsa? Tikta Rasam, Madhura Rasam, Snehayukta Virejanam, Ksheeravasti, Rasayanam. Tikta Rasam, Kuduchiyadi, Madhura Rasam, Vidaryadi, Yarantamuladi, Nimbamrada Yarandam in Ksheeram, Kuduchiyadi Gana Ksheeravasti, Shavanaprasa Rasayanam, Bhargavasya Rasayanam. So, choice of medicine, Kuduchiyadi, Tiktam, Mridvigadi, Madaram, Dadimadi, Kaisora, Madhyashtiyadi, Pindadelam, Shavanaprasam, Bhargava Rasayanam. Pitta Pragopam in Raktam. Pittam in Raktam. Hemorrhage, coagulation, hemolytic anemia, burning neuropathy, syncope, epistaxis, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, gangrene. Tiktarasam, Pittam is Snigdam, Rukshagunam. Raktam is Snigdam, Rukshagunam, Shidaviryam, Raktapitta Karachikitsa, Sharadrudujariya, Shida Upajaram. Hemorrhage, ITP, Vasaguduchiyadi, Mridvigadi, Mahamanjishtadi, Laksha Churnam, Vasagradam, Tiktagradam, Mahatiktagradam. You don't have to give everything. 3 medicines you can give. I am giving you choices. A hotel is available so many dosas. Will you eat everything? I wrote in my book so many medicines. Sir has written, it's a multi-pharmacy. One fellow told. I told, hey, front page you read. You have to select 1 or 2, but broad choices we have given. One infection, you have many antibiotics. Will you give multi-antibiotics? Azithromycin, clarithromycin, amoxicillin, clavinoic acid, everything will you give together? You don't do that. It's very difficult to talk. But you should talk after treating. That's very important. But if you study well, treat well and teach well, that's good for the students. So you go to all the masters, learn good things from everybody. Everybody will be having every taste. Sarana Bhavan Rasam is different. Sangeeta's Sambar is different. You go. You should enjoy Tridosha Shastra. Everything is Tridosha. Bharadam, our country. Bhavam, Ragam, Talam. Bhavam is Kafam, Ragam is Pittam, Talam is Vayu. I used to tell test match is Kafa, one day is Pitta, 2020 is Vayu. 2020 is Vayu, Chalattu, only Chalattu. Kafa Pragopam in Rakta Dhatu. Nowadays I avoid telling jokes, otherwise I tell lot of jokes. So many people are telling. Then they will forget the subject matter. They will tell Mahadevan told this joke after 10 years. Now also people are telling. I avoided telling jokes because I am matured now. Anemia, folate deficiency, nutritional anemia, dyslipidemia. Tiktam Ruksham. Guduchiyadi, Punarnavadi, Guguliditagam, Shaddaranam, Navayasam, Ayaganda Senduram, Shilajit. I don't use Shilajit and medicines which contain Dasamulas because Dasamula, nobody is putting Dasamula. Only few they are putting. Stem and other things they are putting. Shilajit, nobody is getting good Shilajit. At least I do not get good Shilajit. That is why the reason in COVID trial, I did not select Indugandha, Dasamula. I went for Patya Gustum Bradi, Darnagaradi, Trikatu, and other things. Now we have 20 cases under treatment. We will bring large data later. We produced a small study, promising. But some asymptomatic cases, they take a long time for recovery. When oxygen saturation comes down, you have to honestly give it to allopathy. Some medicines are effective in Siddha. Ayurveda is effective. We should all work as one unit. Unfortunately, that is not happening. As an individual, all the modern doctors are very close to me. They talk to me, we mutually refer, we discuss about diagnosis. But when it comes as a team, it doesn't happen. Guduchiyadi Punarnavadi Kashayam, Guguliditagam Shaddaranam, already I told this to you. Vadam, metabolic type 1, catalyst. Metabolic type 2 is Pittam. Alkaline, Kapham. Acetylcholine, Vadam, serotonin, Pittam, GABA, histamine, Kapham. Tachycardia, Vadam. Hypervolemic pulse, Pittam, bradycardia, Kapham. Hyperthyroidism, Vadam. Thyroiditis, Pittam. Hypothyroidism, Kapham. Spastic colon, Vadam. Colitis, Pittam. Mucus colitis, malabsorption, Steatoria, Kapham. Abdominal colic, Vadam. Heartburn, Pittam. Non-ulcer dyspepsia, Kapham. Nervous system disorders, Vadam. But you can get Vada Vyadhi in GI tract also. Common. Liver, gallbladder, pancreatitis, Pittam. Respiratory chronic pancreatic disorders, Kapham. Vadam degeneration, Pittam inflammation, stiffness. Even God, generation, operation, destruction, God. Srishti Sthiti Pralayana Hedu, Brahma, Vishnu, Shivan. Acceleration, brake and clutch. Sakaraka says in Vasti Chikisa in Sutrasthanam, Srishti Sthiti Pralayana Hedu. Vayu, about Vayu. Hypertension, systolic, Pitta, systolic, Kapha, diastolic. Vata, dysmenorrhea, Pitta, menorrhagia, Kapha, oligomenorrhea. Like this. Vata, insomnia, Pitta, disturbed sleep, Kapha, hypersomnia. Vata, irregular digestion, Pitta, APD, Kapha, mandagni. Vata, lean. Vata has problems with protein. Pitta has problem with fat already, Pitta is Sneha. Kapha has problem with carbohydrate, Kleda. So, dosha pratiniga medicines, Vadajam, Thailam, Pittajam, Gridam, Kafajam Madhu, Vadavitam, Gridam, Priyalam, Vidari, Pittavadam, Kashmiri, Parushakam, Tamalagi, Pittakafam, Bushiram, Jantanam, Daragaridra, Kafavittam, Priyangu, Lotra, Dadagi, Pushpa, Kafavadam, Hingu, Vidanga, Sarshaba, Vadakafam, Kafavadam, Balladagam, Jodishmadi, Yelam, Gomutram. Now, treatment, I am going into the next stage. Vadanubandham Rakta Prasadanam. Psoriatic arthropathy, if you select, psoriasis, Kushtakanam is there. Arthropathy, Vadasamanam, Kushtakanam is there. It is not Kushtakanam. It is Vadasamanam, Kushtakanam. So, Vadanubandham Rakta Prasadanam. Pindadayalam, Balaguluchiadi, Madhishtiadi, Kajid Pindadayalam, Marivanna. Danvandaram, Vadasamanam, not Kushtakanam. Maharasnadi, Vadasamanam, not Kushtakanam. Balaguduchiadi, Vadasamanam, Kushtakanam. Gugulidiktakam, Vadasamanam, Kushtakanam. Pittanavandam, Rakta Prasadanam, SLE. Manjishtadi, Amrudadi, Dineshavaliadi, Madhishtiadi. Then double. Pitta Kafanavandam, Rakta Prasadanam. Discard lupus erythematosis. Balaguduchiadi, Amrudadi. Sakasrayogam. Pitta Kafanavandam, now Kafapitanavandam Rakta Prasadanam, diabetic carbon grid. Nisho Usheradi Kashayatil, Yeladi Ganam Kalkam. Pitta Vadagaram, vertigo. Pitta Vadagaram, Drakshadi, Amrdadi, body Pindadayalam, yet Narayana Dayalam. Narayana is Sadavari. Sadavari. That's the beauty of Ayurveda. One fellow told me, if the person is lactating, he cannot menstruate. If he is menstruating, he cannot lactate. Menstruation and lactation, medicines and approach are different in our system. They told about their system. I told, Sadavari can be given for lactation, Sadavari can be given for Yoni Vavat. Because the Upadadu of Rasadadu is Stanyam and Arthavam, the Akre Aushadam for Stanyam and Arthavam is Sadavari. I can talk about 1 or 2 hours about who is Sadavari works on Stanyam and Arthavam. But you should understand Ayurveda is Ayurveda. Even though I talk so many modern, Gulmam I didn't use a modern word. Udavaratam I don't use a modern word. Pitta Kafagaram, Eritima Nadosam. Many materials are there. Keshyam, Vadajam, hair fall, Madhishtiadi, Pittajam, premature graying, Nili Bringadi, Shambartiadi, Kafajam, density of hair, Trifaladi. Shirasulam, you take the Shirasula. Vada Shirasulam, tension headache, Asana Vilvadi. Pitta Shirasulam, vascular headache, Asana Manjishtadi. Kapha Shirasulam, sinus headache, Asana Yeladi. Vada Pittadam, temporal arthritis, Kshirabala, PNK, CNK. Kaphavadam, normal pressure, hydrocephalus, Panjamala Dailam with Vibhuti. This is taught to me by Manoj Shankaranarayanan, a direct disciple of Rajagopalan sir. Vada Kafam, intracranial tension, Nirgundiadi Dailam, Pitta Kafam, Wegener's granulomatosis. I have seen one case. Diagnose the case. Yeah, in our hospital is unique because we diagnose the case. Diagnosed cases rarely come. We diagnose the case and reconfirm with modern doctors. Pitta Kafam, Wegener's granulomatosis, Pitta Vadam, Madhishtiadi, Kafapittam, Arimedadi, Vadam, Asana Vilvadi, Pittam, Asana Manjishtadi, Kafam, Asana Yeladi, Vadavittam, Kshirabala, Kafavadam, Panjamalam, Vadakafam, Nirgundiadi, Pitta Kafam, Amradadi, Vadavittam, Madhishtiadi, Kafavittam, Arimedadi. This is like a very, very jolly thing, very enjoyable thing, you know. It's like playing chess. Midnight ideas come to me, I write it down. I used to call my secretary Saju, Sheikh Farid, and dictate. Today, I don't know anything about computer. Whatever you are seeing, if you are appreciating me, you should appreciate my secretary Saju. All my students, one person, if I tell another person may be angry, that because they love me so much, I am so much to them. It's like a family, more than a family. Because we live as one family, we eat the food, we live together, I take care of them. Being a teacher is easy. Being a guru is very tough. you should be a mother also. So God has given me this privilege. And I, Haridagi, Vibhidagi, Amalagi, Chatushyam. Vadasamanam Chatushyam, Vibhidagi. Pittasamanam Chatushyam, Amalagi. Kafasamanam Chatushyam, Haridagi. Vadasamanam Chatushyam, macular degeneration. Pittasamanam Chatushyam, diabetic retinopathy. Kafasamanam Chatushyam, glaucoma. Vadasamanam Chatushyam, Kshiramala. Pittasamanam Chatushyam, Madhishtyadi. Kafasamanam Chatushyam, Trifaladi. Vadasamanam Chatushyam, Jivandyadi. Pittasamanam Chatushyam, Padoladi. Kafasamanam Chatushyam, Trifaladi. I think I have talked. This will take 7 to 8 hours to finish this. I have given you an orientation. Charagade, you all celebrate well, and I tell you, mahadevan101@gmail.com. Anytime, any day, you can call me, whatever I know, I share regarding COVID treatment also, you can call me. And anything, if this body, mind and knowledge is useful to you, I will be very happy. I remember all my gurus with gratitude, Dr. Vaidyanathan sir, Nambudiri sir, Sangaran sir, many others, my grandfather, V. Mahadeva here, my cousin, Dr. Chidambaram Ramakrishnan. There are many people who made me like this. Still, I am studying and I am weak in Sanskrit. So what I thought, to know the medicine, I started, I am very good at Tamil. So I started learning Siddha. Sanskrit is still a problem because for a Tamil student, studying Sanskrit is difficult. Now the one Dr. Vairamuthu is there, who is talking in Sanskrit. I am afraid of that fellow. I told him to talk in Tamil because he accepted me as his guru. I told I cannot talk in Sanskrit. So, my dear students, I am very happy that I am able to convey. Continuous classes are there. Hear my classes. See the website. Tomorrow also I am talking about rhythm abnormalities in the heart. PVC, PSC, atrial flutter, fibrillation, ventricular tachycardias, arrhythmias, all these things. MVP, stenosis, tricuspid regurgitations, all these things, and what is possible, what is not possible, what is not possible, you should know before you treat. And if there is any question, I can answer it. Is there any questions? Are there? Only one question. Then anything? You send all the questions. Every question will be answered. Time is over. Thank you very much for wonderful hearing. Send the questions to me. You will get personalized answer. Mahadevan101@gmail.com. Send all the questions individually. I promise you, I will write to you. I will write to you. Namaste.